In this section of our notes, we're looking to solve for angles in a quadrant. So this particular question for theta of 225 degrees, which quadrant would that be located in? Everyone should know by now that would be quadrant 3. So we set it up. There's our y, and there's our x-axis. And we know that the location for 225 would be exactly here, rotated backwards to the 0 point, and this reference angle would be 45 degrees, because across this straight angle, we know that is 180. So what we're trying to say is that tangent of 225 degrees is the same as tangent 45 degrees. And by using your special angles, you should be able to tell without a calculator that tangent 45 is equal to 1. But what about the other two ratios? What would they be? We would have sine 225 degrees, which of course would be sine 45. But in this quadrant, what do we know about this quadrant for sine? It would be a negative. And so, using your special angles again, from the trig ratios, this would be minus square root of 2 over 2. And similarly, cos 225 degrees in the same quadrant would be negative cos 45 degrees, and also giving you minus root 2 over 2. And there you have the solution. What we've just discovered is that angles that are greater than 90 degrees within reason can be solved by knowing the trig ratios and by knowing the values in the various quadrants. And if you recall, all terms are positive, sine is positive, tan is positive, and cosine is positive in the fourth quadrant. If you master these techniques and you convert them for the various angles, you should have very little difficulty with trigonometry. And that's the solution.